Today, join me as I celebrate the Ox-picious year with our favorite Chinese flavors at the lobby bar of RADISSON BLU Hotel. Let's welcome the year of the ox with special prepared Chinese dishes which is only available from February 1 to February 28. Choose from Hiananese Steamed Chicken, stir-fried Tiger Prawns, Cantonese Style Steamed Fish, Gua Bao, and more. This is available for lunch and dinner again at the lobby bar. And of course, our lobby bar favorites are still available naman kung gusto nyo ka mo order o dili Chinese food. But of course, atog yung ita-priority ang mga Chinese dishes na ilan yung i-prepare for us this month. So what we have is the stir-fried Tiger Prawns, the pork and vegetable egg roll, marinated jellyfish salad, and the Hiananese Steamed Chicken. And actually, I'm good with this already, but the highly recommend the Szechuan style marinated beef and the stir-fried egg noodles. And of course, unahon yun din ako ang pork and vegetable egg roll or lumpia Shanghai. Oy, the best. Well, lumpia is life. And now the Hiananese Steamed Chicken. Loving the flavor kay ang ginger dili kayo strong. And the stir-fried Tiger Prawns nga. Ganang ko sa pagka-spicy. And of course, the stir-fried egg noodles ato sa dyan i-mix og tarong no kay para mas lami. But before that, let's try the marinated jellyfish kaya na pari appetizer na habiling with the century egg. Oh, ganahan ko siyahang pagka jelly and spicy, perfect ra gyud. And now the stir-fried egg noodles. I'm actually mo-ship pinakasulit sa akong gikaon karon. And of course, I'm saving the best for the last, the Szechuan style marinated beef. Loving its more spicy nga peppery siya, perfect kayo. And of course, we have to end it with a dessert. We are having the exotic pavlova and the Oreo brownie trifle. And I think I cannot have two, so I am having the Oreo brownie trifle, like brownies, chocolate mousse, chocolate pudding, fresh cream, and Oreo cookies. Masyag all chocolatey goodness in one cup or glass. But then again, guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!